and welcome to One Sentence in 4 Languages with me, Liz Wanker, founder of LearnLuxembourgish.com. Check out our website where you'll find Skype courses you can join in a small group or privately one-on-one, and check out the book that you can buy also to start teaching yourself Luxembourgish. Today we're going to talk about a New Year's resolution that I take every single year. This year will ich mehr oft selber kochen. This year I want to do more of my own cooking. Dieses Jahr will ich öfter selber kochen. Cette année, je voudrais faire la cuisine plus souvent. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you've learned something today, and join us again for the next one.